welcome. And today we are going to begin with the diversity in living organism. As I know that in class ninth, your chapters diversity in living organism, why do we fall ill, and the natural resources are coming in the term 2 examination. So we are first of all going with the diversity in living organism. So let us begin with what is the classification of organism. All right. So, as in front of you written, that arranging organisms into groups based on their similarity and differences are called the classification of organisms. As my prefix is to tell you with an example. So, first of all, let me tell you that I am the teacher of your class, and I just give you duty to just classify your classmates, draw a table, and tell me that who's and write their names as per the size, their sizes, their heights, their um, intelligence, their means their hobbies and everything. So classified it. So how you will classify it? When you're knowing their similarity and differences, then you are able to just classify them, and you will make the table like this. First of all, you will make one corner for the name, then one corner for the height, one corner for the age, and one corner for their hobbies, aims. Then you'll give me the list after preparing. So this list, what I will name, that you are classifying your classmates as per their heights, age, and as per their similarity and differences. So basically that thing is same happens in the living organism. So in this chapter diversity in living organism, we'll see that how the organisms are classified based on their similarity and differences. All right, I hope so you understand. Very easy. Very good. Now what are the advantage for this? So your advantage for this is identify organism. You can identify easily, finds interrelationship between organisms, simple, you will definitely able to find, and makes studying organism very easy. All right, basic things. All right, okay, now we are going further, that what are the types of classifications and of organism. All right, so let me see. So your types of classification are based upon cell nature, some are based upon the cell occurrences, some are based on the mode of nutrition, and some are based on their level of body organization. So in the cell nature, two types are there, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Simple, what are prokaryotes and eukaryotes? So your prokaryotes means which have the organism which have nucleus and cell organelles and are not demarcated. All right, so whatever the organisms are there in which the nucleus and the cell wall are present, means not demarcated, are called your prokaryotes. But what are eukaryotes? Simple, eukaryotes are clear nucleus and membrane bounds are clear nucleus and membrane bound with the cell organelle. So in the prokaryote it's not clear, not demarcated, sorry, but in the eukaryote it's really clear. So that is a basic difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Now we are going further with the unicellular and multicellular, which is based on the cell occurrences. So basically unicellular and multicellular means the organism which is made up of single cell, which is also called a single celled organism, is called your unicellular, and your multicellular is multiple cell, means more than one, simply known as your multicellular organism. And in the multicellular organism, they have also specialized types of tissues and organs, and even though organelles in it. All right, so this is the basic difference between unicellular and multicellular. So I hope so you understand. Very easy. Now their mode of nutrition basically can be autotrophic or heterotrophic. This you have studied in your class 7th, as I just told you. As if you are not seen, just go in the playlist and you can find easily. I just made for you all the playlist for every of the chapters and subjects, so you can get easily. All right, what are autotrophic? Basically photosynthesis, where the make their food. All right, they make their food by own, and by the process of photosynthesis, that is your called autotrophic, and heterotrophic basically is your depends on other for food like plants, and the animals are depend, humans are also depend upon the plants, but plants are basically autotrophic. So these are the things. So in these type of classification, your organism will be organism will be classified, and we are going to see how. All right, now there are 5 kingdom in which these organisms are classified on the basis of 1 2, on the basis of prokaryote, eukaryotes, and multicellular, and single celled, and autotrophic, and basic heterotrophic. So these, on this basis of 5 kingdom classifications have been there, and this is given by, don't forget the name, given by Robert Whittaker. All right, so we are going to begin. Let's see. Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Animalia. So in these 5 categories, your classification of organism is divided. So let me see what is Monera. So basically, Moneras are the first. All right, so they are prokaryotic. Simple, they will be, as per, they are not visible by naked eyes. So they are primitive unicellular eukaryotic prokaryotic organism. All right, as I completed in the one sentence, they are prokaryotic, unicellular, autotrophic, and heterotrophic. Both they have the same type of nutrition. All right, so first point, these are the primitive unicellular prokaryotic organism, and their mode of nutrition is autotrophic or heterotrophic. They are single celled organism. Some have cell wall, some doesn't. All right, so this you completed. And even though many Moneras, all right, many Moneras do not have defined nucleus or membrane bound organelle, and like you can example like mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulums, and lysosomes. So these are the Moneras which do not have any defined nucleus or cell wall, but some have. All right, well, examples can be bacteria and more what, if you know, comment in the comment section so I can read it. What are the examples? Like your blue green algae, that are also called cyanobacteria, mycoplasmic plasma. All right, so these are things for your Monera. Very easy, you can learn it. Now we are going through the Protista. Let us see what is Protista saying. All right, Protista is eukaryotic, accepting only the kingdom Monera. All the 5 kingdom classification, whether it's your Protista, fungi, and Plantae, and Animalia, it consists of your eukaryotic, and only kingdom Monera includes your prokaryotic organism. All right, so in this video we have just read about the Monera, and on the other video I'll be discussing with you all Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia in one shot, and we are going through brief on the next part, upcoming parts. All right, so if you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates.